In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find free games on Steam. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. So if you've been looking for free games to play on Steam, then it is pretty much simple to go ahead and sort out and only get a list of all the free games that are available. Now to do that, it is pretty much simple. Just hover over this list that is on the left side here, and then under browse by genre here, you'll be able to see free to play. If you go ahead and click on it, it will go ahead and list all the free games that are available on Steam. Now look at that. If I scroll down, you can see all these are free to play games that are available on Steam. If you scroll down, you'll also be able to see popular titles for the free games to play. If you want to find more free games to play, you can also go ahead and click on this show more, and this will go ahead and list a lot of free games that you can play on Steam. And as you can see, the list is quite long. Alternatively, instead of using that option, you can also go ahead and click on categories here. So if you point under categories, from here, you'll be able to see under special section, free to play. If you go ahead and click on it, it will also go ahead and list all free to play games on Steam. So that's how you can find all free to play games on Steam. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.